الرحمن الرحيم. أهلا وسهلا بكم. Marhaban. This lesson is going to be based on page 8 of our book. If you open page 8 for me, you will see the heading asking questions. That's mean interrogative particles, mean items that we use to ask questions in Arabic. That's what it means basically. Now I have two of them for you here. We have Hamza and we have Hal. Let me tell you first of all that these tools are the simplest interrogative particles. Number two, they are used for questions which may be answered yes or no. Number three, they occur at the beginning of a nominal or verbal sentences. Number four, they are often used interchangeably, meaning you can use Hamza and instead of Hamza you can put Hal in its place and it will do the same job. However, there are some differences which you will learn about later on in the series, inshallah. Let's have a look at board and look at the chart here. Okay, so the Hamza and Hal, when you're using it to ask question, they may mean is or are or do or does. Depends what you are saying. Now, as I said before, begin the question with Hamza or Hal, and then your answer will be yes or no. Or so no, that means la. Yes is na'am in Arabic. Let's write that down actually. So let's learn how to say yes and how to say no in Arabic. Yes is na'am, no is la. Okay, yes is na'am, and no is la. So you write your lam with alif. La is called lam alif. Remember, this la is better to write it this way actually, because you see it's been written like this as well. So write the same, but write it like this. Just write your lam, extend it, and then drop alif inside it. And don't forget to put your fataha if you wish. So that's na'am, that means yes. La, that means no. Very useful. La, 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 la. No, no. Okay, so, okay, that's it. Yes, na'am, and no, la. Let's put it into practice. Is this a pen? You see, you know pen is qalam in Arabic. So you put your interrogative particle at the beginning before you mention pen, or mention the demonstrative pronoun هذا, because qalam is masculine mudhakkar, so we will say a, and then هذا, هذا, and then we say قلم, قلم, question mark, going the other, facing the other way. So أهذا قلم, or as I said, it's interchangeable. You can remove the Hamza and put Hal instead. So you can say Hal, Hal, هذا, and then قلم, قلم, question mark. هل هذا قلم؟ أهذا قلم? It's the same meaning, because you can use both Hamza and the Hal interchangeably, meaning you can replace it one with another. أهذا قلم؟ هل هذا قلم? Is this a pen? Now, when you are using the Hamza as an interrogative particle, it will be part of whatever is after it. It's one unit, whereas the Hal is separate. So Hal is independent, but Hamza will be part of whatever is after it. أهذا قلم؟ هل هذا قلم? And the answer can be La. mean no. هذا مفتاح. لا, this is a key. هل هذا قلم؟ لا, هذا مفتاح. Next one. Is this a ruler? What's a ruler in Arabic? If you remember, it's mistaratun. Mistaratun, and that is mu'annath. That's feminine. So therefore, you don't say ahada, you say ahadihi. So ahadihi, because it's mistara. You say, is this a ruler? Ahadihi or hal hadihi mistaratun. Let's use ahadihi, and then you put mistaratun. هذه مسطرة or هل هذه مسطرة. Make sure that that one is independent. The هل is independent. So هل هذه and then you say مسطرة. هل هذه مسطرة? Is this a ruler? So your answer may be yes. You say نعم, and then you say هذه مسطرة. نعم, هذه مسطرة. Okay, so let's remove this. هل هذه مسطرة؟ نعم, هذه مسطرة. So it is very important to make sure you remember the gender of the noun, as I keep saying. Okay, so is this a pair of scissors? A pair of scissors in Arabic is مقص. So مقص ومذكر. So you say أهذا مقص or هل هذا مقص? Is this a pair of scissors? So أهذا, so you have, is this a pair of scissors? أهذا مقص? No, this is a stapler. Let's write it down. هل, let's start with هل this time. هل هذا مقص؟ هل هذا مقص؟ Or you can say أهذا مقص. أهذا مقص. So it's the same. As I say, later on you will learn a little bit more about the nature of hal and or the hamza. There are differences, but for now we use them interchangeably to make sure that you understand what we're saying. هل هذا is the same as أهذا مقص. Make life easy for everybody. So هل or is the same. هل هذا مقص؟ أهذا مقص. No, this is a stapler. لا, هذه دباسة. You say لا, هذه, you can put comma there. لا, هذه دباسة. لا, هذه دباسة. Next one. Is this a candle? What's candle in Arabic? Can you remember candle? شمعة is feminine. أهذه شمعة؟ هل هذه شمعة؟ نعم, هذه شمعة. Or لا, هذه ساعة. Whatever it may be. So is this a candle? هل هذه شمعة؟ Yes. نعم, this is a candle. نعم, هذه شمعة. نعم, هذه شمعة. Let's write that as well so that we know exactly how to write them when you are doing your homework. So هل هذه شمعة oops. هل هذه شمعة let's put that one هل هذه شمعة or أهذه شمعة and the answer will be نعم هذه شمعة هل هذه شمعة نعم هذه شمعة. Remember, you can use هل or you can use Hamza to ask the same question.